Welcome to my channel. I'm in my car. I'm gonna make a quick video. I like math. I like this kind of calculations anyway. Let's do this very quick. It's on my test. So the question says a primary healthcare provider or a doctor writes a prescription for 1000 milliliters of 0.9% normal saline solution to be administered intravenously to a client over 10 hours. The drop factor for the infusion set is 15 drops per ml. So the question is, what drip rate does the nurse set the infusion? That what I'm talking about is about the pump, which gives IV meds. At what rate can you set the pump to infuse? So they're asking us to find the drop rate in drops per minute. So this thing is very easy. To start, guess what? Let's start by total volume given. You say total volume given by the doctor to be given is 1000 milliliters. Number two, let's find, we are given time. So time in time or total time to, let's say total time to infuse is what? 10 hours. Before we continue, let's change this to minutes, because if you look at the end of the answer, they say drops per minute, so we have hours. So to change hours to minutes is very easy. We know 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So what about 10 hours? That will be 10 times 60. So we have 600 minutes. So this will be our time. And we had been given drop factor. We have been given drop factor to be what? To be 15. Look at the question. It says the drop factor should be 15 drops or GTT per ml. So 15 drops per ml. That's our drop factor. This is our drop factor. We have time to be 600 minutes, because we changed 10 hours to 600 minutes. Then we have our volume to be given. So the formula, so I can move this up. The formula of finding a drop rate is equal, this is a droplet. At what rate can the pump infuse? It should be given by volume over time times drop factor. So when we know this, we have done. So basically you plug in the figures. We know volume is 1000, so we just put 1000 ml divided by time. Now our time should be 600 minutes times what? Times the drop factor, which is given 15 GTT over minutes over milliliters. So let's cancel. You can see these ones can cross multiply by this liter, so you remain with minutes, and so our answer would be GTT by minutes. So here is just cancelling the numbers, 0 with 0, 0 with 0. So basically it's 10 times 15 divided by 6. Actually, if you put in your calculator, it will give you 25.00000.5. I mean 0005. So the answer would be, our final answer should be 25 drops per minute, and that's our answer. Means our pump, we will be setting at this rate, and it will be infusing at 25 drops per minute. Simple as that. A quick recap: make sure you know the total volume, which is 1000, and it's been given. Time is given at 10 hours, but change it to minutes, because our answer will be in minutes, not hours. If it's hours, just no need to change. Know this: drop rate formula is equal volume divided by time times drop factor, which is always been given as 15 drops per mil. From there, just plug in the numbers, do this simple math, you come up with the answer. Thank you guys, and appreciate.